So this is how it all started out. Because my camera was still in repairs, I was using an older camera and I didn't have a charger for that camera. So I had to MacGyver a charger for my camera. One of the first things I did was take out the water bottles out of the fridge because I forgot it the last time. And as you can see, it's extremely cold. So I rather took it out in time so that I don't forget it again. And as you can see, this water bottle right here is a foldable water bottle sent to me via Repair Nation. Going through the process of making some coffee and making some lunch. I don't think you guys want to see this, so I'm going to fast forward through it. So my friend Palladino flew in from Joburg all the way to Cape Town to do it.
Hi guys, back in Cape Town.
We got on our way to Betty's Bay. Here's some scenery for you to enjoy. We finally arrived. Yeah, so basically we are hiking again.
Harold Porter, eh?
Yeah, Harold Porter. This guy is back, so we're gonna go two routes, top and in between waterfalls.
There's no mountains in Johannesburg, so that's why I'm here, guys.
Woo.
At any time, not bears, sorry, lions or whatever.
This cool looking cloud at the top.
Yo, you get
Let's show you. It's like a chimney. Like they're smoking on the mountain or something. Now this gate is the gate to the waterfall, but we want to be on top of the waterfall, so we're taking the other path.
Go back here. Yeah.
If I had known that Palladino's bag was packed with snacks, I wouldn't have made the lunch early in the morning. I would just made the coffee. Okay, now we are standing. Okay, the wind is blowing very hard. I must say that one thing. Not that hard that it blows me off, but right on that side is another waterfall. You can't actually see it because of the mountain cover, but we should head on. This is actually a very cool photo. I'm checking out here now. I must take out my other camera. So
What?
you're gonna stand there and take a photo. I'm gonna take a photo from you.
Okay.
You hear the thing? That's so easy because of the sun rays. At the top. Is the waterfall where we're gonna be. We need to get to that point. We're gonna sit on that rock next to the waterfall. Now at this point, I proceeded to put the GoPro in my mouth and start filming on first person view.
I'm gonna take this one.
Squat down, squat down, squat down. Here we go. Now just walk here.
The jump isn't difficult, you know. What's that? Man, you can do it.
Oh, okay. Where did you land on? Yeah.
Just here in front.
Can I land on it?
Yeah. We're kind of struggling opening up this bottle. It shouldn't be that tough, but it's a screw top, and this top is actually hurting our hands, so we can't screw it open. That one was a little bit, okay, not that easy. It was tough, but it was a bit manageable. But this one, both of us, we tried. We can't open. We just can't.
Now this is the point where I proceeded down to a certain part of the waterfall of the rock face so that I can take an epic shot. And then it happened.
Right, we got a GoPro now, so I slipped here. This is very stupid. Do not do this thing. And I'm right at the bottom because I have very slippery shoes. Basically, I don't know how I'm gonna get back up there. So you're gonna have to have some help.
I asked Palladino for help in getting back up because it was too slippery for me to get back up.
In his hand was sent to me via preponation. What it is, he says, it's a filter straw. So when you out in the wild, wherever in the desert or something, you come across a water source, but the water isn't that pure to drink. This is a filter system for that water. So it's a straw. You put this part into the water, and you sip it through, and the water will filter through this thing. Can we try that? Huh? Okay.
We headed to the bottom of the waterfall, but I'm just gonna make this a B-roll so that you guys can enjoy this. After quite a lovely day, we headed back and said goodbye to Palladino.
Have a good one.
Bye bye.